Tonight, a Tennessee school teacher says she lost her job over something she shared outside of the classroom.
And now she's suing. The lawsuit claims Rutherford County schools violated her First Amendment rights when they fired her over social media posts criticizing conservative activist Charlie Kirk. News 2's Kelly Milan spoke with legal experts and shares more.
The lawsuit claims a longtime Rutherford County teacher, Susanna O'Brien, was terminated after she shared 2 Facebook posts following the death of conservative commentator and activist Charlie Kirk. One post criticized the decision to lower flags in his honor. Another post taking aim at the political activist, saying he, quote, spent his entire life disparaging immigrants, disrespecting women, and blaming black folks only to get shot in one of the whitest places on earth.
So it's a clear violation of her free speech rights for the government, which is what the school board is, to punish her for speaking on issues that matter.
Court filings say O'Brien posted from her personal account, quote, on her own time and her own devices, adding that her page was friends only and didn't mention her employer.
It was on her private time. This was her private Facebook page. It wasn't part of her job, wasn't connected to her job. She didn't talk about the schools or bring them into her discussion.
Within a week, O'Brien was placed on unpaid leave. Days later, she was fired for, quote, unprofessional conduct that was, quote, in alignment with the expectations as an educator of Rutherford County schools.
You might be able to say, okay, if a school teacher stood up in the middle of a classroom and said, I think Charlie Kirk was a terrible person and a racist and had all kinds of bad ideas. You can make an argument, well, you theoretically have a right to say that, but that's disrupting the working environment. It's making it harder for the school to operate properly. But you can't really make that argument. The government can't really make that argument very well when the teacher is posting on social media on their own time in their own home.
Filed Tuesday, the 15-page lawsuit accuses Rutherford County Schools and Director James Sullivan of violating the teacher's First Amendment rights.
If the government, the school district, could win the case based on that kind of showing, then it's open season, no matter how discreet.
O'Brien's attorneys have now filed a temporary restraining order asking a federal judge to reinstate her immediately, which will be heard this Friday afternoon as they await a preliminary injunction hearing. I'll send it back to you two.